Ciao! Hi, I'm Jay Thomas, and welcome to this edition of Hangout Part 2 at the Lamborghini Automobile Museum in Modena, Italy. If you're wondering why am I here, it's my 15th wedding anniversary, and my wife has actually agreed to be dragged along to all the museums, and we're actually going to go the tour of the factory line here in Lamborghini in just a moment. I can't take you through there, but I can take you a little bit through this museum at the start of this whole crazy cool place. So that we'd have a little look around. Yeah, this is cool. Hopefully we'll get to Ferrari as well today. As long as they let me video there, then we'll get you a tour of what's going on there as well. But yeah, here we are in Italy. So kind of a very special edition of Hot Rod Hangout. A little different than usual, but some pretty cool classic Italian cars here too. So let's go through a little walk. All right. Now, like I say, last video, I'm not going to know everything about all these cars, but I know that's a Countach with a suede leather interior. Very cool. Not quite the gated gearbox that you see on other ones, but that's definitely an early Countach. Another Espada here. We saw one of these in the last museum that was very similar. Boy, this one's gorgeous. Dark blue, the camel leather interior. Urus here. World's sexiest car here. There's that gated shifter I'm talking about. Who wouldn't want to have fun with that? Oh man. And isn't this gorgeous? Oh man. 350 GT. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful place. Out across the street, I got my little Fiat 500 we rented, parked over there somewhere. We actually drove here from Bologna train station. There's a test drive place right across the street there, and I'm going to kind of walk you around through a few of the other things up here. Oh, just a V12 sitting there on display. We talked about this last video too, a Lamborghini LM. Other one was kind of cut apart in sort of a diorama version. Here's the real thing. Everything in here is beautiful. And then, just a quick little rip upstairs. Make this one a quick one, because it won't be long before my tour starts here. All right, on Performante version of the Aventador. A couple of them in here. Green. The Urus is here. A couple of these actually drive around Saskatoon and Regina now. Those aren't quite as rare to see anymore. But we got kind of Lambo's real racing vehicles. That's pretty cool. Oh man, just endless. So, 07, Reventum, 2010, Elemento. Now this is wild if you've ever seen an Elemento. I've never seen one in person. But the dashboard is transparent, like there's no actual panels in there. Look at the red seats. You can see your feet operating the pedals when you look through it. All carbon fiber. Sesto Elemento. This is 2014. Holy. $2019. It's too much to look at in here. Man, oh man. Is this ever wild? And the 2021 Countach LP 804, so it's all-wheel drive, of course. Countach is back, the name. Again, this is the Lamborghini Factory and Automobile Museum, Modena, Italy. Look at this. Diablo GT. Murcielago. And a Gallardo to start it all off up here. So, anyways, pretty cool place. Pretty awesome to check this out. Thought we'd bring you some different Italian flavors for Hot Rod Hangout this week. This is part 2. If you didn't see part 1, make sure you check that out. That is the other Lamborghini Museum. And as long as I still get permission, I'll be bringing you updates from a couple Ferrari museums still to come from Italy. Special edition, the Italian Hot Rod Hangout. Maybe we got to do an Italian tune-up on that little Fiat I'm driving later. But anyways, the Italian Hot Rod Hangout. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time on Hot Rod Hangout.